What happens when one of the world's fastest growing luxury fashion hubs meets one of its oldest traditional crafts? When synthetic materials replace precious metals, what gets lost beyond just the material itself? And what if the solution isn't about creating something entirely new, but about remembering what we already know? In the UAE, two seemingly separate challenges sit side by side. 1 million tonnes of date waste is produced annually from one of the world's top date-producing regions. Meanwhile, the traditional craft of tali, an intricate braiding technique that once used precious metals, has been forced to adopt to synthetic alternatives, losing both cultural and economic value in the process. From Desert to Date is a research project that asks the question: how can traditional Emirati knowledge guide the co-creation of sustainable material alternatives that restore both cultural heritage and environmental health? Rather than imposing external, globalised solutions, this research positioned the traditional knowledge holders as co-creators. Spending 6 weeks learning alongside Emirati artisans Carlo Halima and Carlo Sheikha. Together, we developed the BioCos, biomaterials created from local date waste that could replace synthetic components in traditional tali braiding. But this project discovered something bigger than just sustainable materials. It revealed how authentic collaboration between traditional knowledge and contemporary innovation can create regenerative systems, where cultural preservation strengthens environmental restoration, where community validation enables broader change, and where knowledge sharing creates abundance rather than scarcity. 5 interconnected systems emerged, demonstrating that sustainable fashion isn't just about better materials, it's about better relationships. From Desert to Date demonstrates that sustainable futures aren't about choosing between tradition and innovation, but about creating space where both can flourish together. Because sometimes the most radical innovation is remembering what we never should have forgotten.